Hello lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a crab stick asparagus soup. It's comforting, oriental and very simple to make. So let's get started. Start by cutting 300 grams of asparagus, but you can also use a canned asparagus. Then I'm gonna add them into boiling water. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on how thickness of your asparagus. Pour the chicken stock in, and meanwhile I'm gonna cut the crab stick and also transfer them into the pot. And for the slurry, I'm gonna mix 3 tablespoons cornstarch with 2 tablespoons water just until smooth. Add the slurry into the pot and give a little stir until the soup gets thickened. In a small bowl, mix 2 eggs and drizzle them a little at a time into the boiling soup. At this point, the egg should cook immediately. And for the final, season with salt and white pepper. Stir constantly for a couple minutes on medium heat, and in a matter of minutes I have a delicious soup which is ready to be served. Anytime I make this soup, it's always remind me of my hometown, which is I used to eat this kind of soup on a special occasion like wedding or anniversaries. I also like to sprinkle my soup with some fresh chive and enjoy it with a bit of chili and fish sauce. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the recipe, check out the link below over my website, LoveThatBite.com. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!